Lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can support metabolism and aid in detoxification. Ginger. Ginger has thermogenic properties that can boost metabolism and aid in digestion. It also has anti-inflammatory effects. Water. Hydration is essential for weight loss and overall health. Drinking enough water can help flush out toxins and keep you feeling full. Honey optional. Honey adds a touch of natural sweetness to the drink and provides some additional nutrients. However, if you're looking to minimize calorie intake, you can omit it. Instructions: boil water. Start by bringing a pot of water to a boil. Slice lemon. While the water is boiling, slice a lemon into thin slices. You can use the whole lemon or just a few slices, depending on your preference. Grate ginger. Peel a piece of fresh ginger and grate it using a fine grater. You'll need about a teaspoon of grated ginger for 1 serving of the drink. Combine ingredients. Once the water has boiled, remove it from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Then add the lemon slices and grated ginger to the water. Steep. Allow the lemon and ginger to steep in the hot water for 5–10 minutes. This will allow the flavors to infuse into the water. Strain optional. If you prefer a smoother drink without any pulp, you can strain the mixture using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. Sweeten optional. If desired, you can add a teaspoon of honey to sweeten the drink. Stir until the honey is dissolved. Serve. Pour the lemon ginger detox drink into a mug or glass and enjoy it while it's still warm. Drink daily. Incorporate this drink into your daily routine for best results. It's refreshing, hydrating, and can help support your weight loss efforts when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Variations. Feel free to customize this recipe to suit your taste preferences. You can add other ingredients like mint leaves, cucumber slices, or a pinch of cayenne pepper for additional flavor and benefits. Consistency. For optimal results, make this drink a regular part of your routine. Consistency is key when it comes to weight loss, so try to drink it daily or several times a week. Consultation. While this drink can be a helpful addition to a weight loss plan, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. By incorporating this homemade lemon ginger detox drink into your routine and pairing it with a balanced diet and regular exercise, you can support your weight loss goals in a simple and refreshing way.